Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome. So in this video we want to share with you how we came about to spend our birthday meal at Sharky's. So the day before, the 22nd, we went over, we saw what it was like, we took some pictures first, and then of course we wanted to see what the menu offered. It's a seafood restaurant and that was right up our street. Okay, the Sharky's menu, and we're looking through and planning what we're going to have for the birthday meal. Yeah, something from there, something from the sides. Don't know what drink yet, nothing alcoholic. And then we'll select a table somewhere out there. Yeah. Well, of course, our mouths were watering when we saw the menu. So we had to taste something. So we went for some fish tea, and it was good. Good morning. Good morning. Can I get a happy birthday?
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Joleisa. Happy birthday to you. Thank you.
My friend.
Yeah, I'm Joe. She's Lisa.
Oh, Joe.
Lisa. Yeah. Thank you.
It's her birthday too, is it?
Yes, we're twins.
And I'm just in one son. Oh,
Oh, no.
that's what we do to both of you.
Thank you so much.
I see you in a minute.
All right. Very much so.
Good luck, twins, you know.
Yeah, man. All right. So this is the birthday outfit. It's all in one. Crepe. I don't know if you can. Yeah, crepe. Crepe to go with the outfit. Yeah. Back of crepe. Big belly. Back of crepe. Bling bling bling. Face. Beautiful the way God made me. Oh, you can't see my face. Can you see it now? Yeah. Grateful to God for another year. And here's Joe. Ooh. Same top, different belt, same face. Yeah. But thank God for another year. Thank Him for His blessings. Oh, the shoe. River Island crepe. Yeah. Not very comfy, but I like it. And they say style over substance, or style over what? Comfort. No, I'm comfort over style, but we'll see if I manage. And here we are for the birthday. There's the birthday girl. Say hi. Walking into Sharky's for the birthday lunch. Joe.
Go see them for me, please.
You know, somebody right at the very seat where we said we were going to sit. All the way up there, sir. Yeah.
Oh, you wanted to sit up there?
It was up there, but people up there now.
Where would you like to go?
Thank you so much, guys, for joining us with our birthday shenanigans. It was not big and exciting like some people do for their birthday, especially a big number.
It's just what made us feel special.
Yeah, it was nice and safe and comfortable, and we want to thank God again for another year. Thank him for his blessings always.
And thank you too for whatever part you played in our lives this year. We really do appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much.
Thank you. See you next time.